Okay, we're gonna have to go back. Man, okay. Where was I? Damn it. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be teaching you an incredible impromptu card trick. Let's do it. Before proceeding with this video, if you guys have not yet checked the performance out, I'll put the link on the screen and description so you can go and check that out. Although you probably wouldn't be missing much, so check it out anyway. So just to give you guys some background, for this trick, I pretty much pulled together things I learned from here and there. So I don't want to take credit for this trick, but I just pretty much took things I learned from many other tricks, put them all together into this one, tried it out on a couple of people, and they enjoyed it, got some great reactions. So here I am sharing this with you today. Now to break down this trick, you pretty much start off like any other card trick. You're going to have a card selected at random. Let's say in our case, it's the 4 of diamonds. So you're going to want to have this card lost, right? Quote unquote, lost in the deck, but you're actually just going to be controlling it right back up to the top. Now, one way that I usually go about doing this, especially if I don't have a table or anything like that, if I just have my hands, I do a controlled overhand shuffle where I throw over a packet of cards, put this card, pull it back like this, keep throwing that over. Now here I can create a break, and with that break, take it, push that in, and continue shuffling until I get to that break, and as soon as I get to that break, I throw the rest of these cards over, maintaining that card on top. Of course, if you want a more thorough tutorial, it should be somewhere on my channel. I'll put the link on the screen for you. So now you have that card control on top, and they have no idea how it's there. Well, I mean, they don't even know it's there. So, Now from here, you're going to tell the spectator to really think about their card, and then spread out the deck and tell them to pick out their card, but it's going to be an imaginary card. So that means when you're spreading out the cards like this, you're having them pick out a fake card. So you just pull out fake card. It's not actually there. Again, make sure they don't actually take the card out because that's not what we're doing here. Maybe some other time. Right now, just a fake card. And now when they're holding on to this card, you ask them to tell you a number between 1 and 20. The reason why I don't go super high is because it gets boring if you're counting off like 50 cards. So you do 1 and 20. Let's say they select the number 6. So now you're going to count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a look at that 6th card, and that obviously that's not your card. That's what you tell them, because your card is in your hand. So you take that card from their hand and put it at that 5th or 6th position. And now you take all these cards, right? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. Put them on top of the deck and count to 6 one more time. Except here, I like the spectator to count off the cards. Again, keeping the trick as interactive as possible. So they count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They take a look and their card is located in that 6th position. Now, if you guys enjoyed that trick and want to see more tricks like it, make sure to go click on that video right there. And if not, then go and add some magic into people's day. Peace out.